In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the power of Facebook's Meta Business Suite scheduling to create a social media traffic machine and earn affiliate commissions. I'm going to show you how to do this 100% for free. Make sure you stay to the end of the video and I'll show you how to make affiliate commissions completely using other people's content. You do not even need a website for this. If you want to sell or promote anything online, you need one thing. And no, it's not just traffic. You need an audience. The more social media followers I get, the more opt-ins I get, and the more sales I get. The problem is that it's time consuming putting out quality, relevant content multiple times a day. Luckily, Facebook has its Meta Business Suite that you can use for free to schedule posts. So what you do is you gather all the relevant links and posts that you want to promote, you gather them all at once, and then you schedule them for days and even months in advance. So you set it up once, and then Facebook keeps posting every single day according to your schedule. You see, because posting consistently is much more effective than posting everything all at once. You want to keep people coming back over and over. And I've neglected my social media because I was so busy creating software and products. But I started a strategy on Facebook and it's been working. Here's just some of the replies I've been getting just over the last week or so. So here's how it works. First, you log into Facebook and then you go to groups and then you search for groups in your niche. Now here, I searched for groups on affiliate marketing, but you can search for all different types of groups. Make money online, digital marketing, whatever your niche is, wherever the people you want to appeal to hang out. So I suggest joining lots of the groups. Some of them are going to accept you, others won't. And then I suggest you visit these groups and start interacting with the people. Don't just start posting right away. Start being a part of the actual group. Reply to other people's posts, like and share. Then gather some media that you actually want to promote. For example, if you want to promote like our products and services as an affiliate, you can use any of our videos on our YouTube channel and you can just take those links and put them in a notepad file. I did this here. You can see in this example, I've gathered a list of my YouTube videos that I want to promote on Facebook and I put them all in Notepad. Then you go to Meta Business Suite and schedule the posts one by one. Make sure you put your affiliate links in the description and also some hashtags. Now, you can not only post to your Facebook page, but you can also post to the groups that you joined. You just click the drop down to see all the groups you've joined and go ahead and check the check boxes for the groups that you want to post on and then click schedule. And just keep repeating this process until you've spread out the posts so that you're posting 1 to 3 posts per day or even more if you want for a period of 30 days. Then you're done. Then every day come back and check and see if there are any responses. Make sure to respond to everyone who contacts you. You know, there are many expensive tools to automate social media posts like Hootsuite, but I suggest starting with this free method and focusing on one social media platform like Facebook to get started. If you do this right, you'll create a system that will continue to post when you are no longer even thinking about Facebook. Every month, continue the process. It only takes about 1 hour per month to start building your social media account on Autopilot. Everything here is 100% for free and very effective. But what if you don't have any of your own content to share? I think I mentioned before, you can use other people's content because people want you to share their content. So go ahead and find content that gives people some valuable information, not just sales pitches that you want to promote. And like I said, you're welcome to use any of my my videos or blog posts and put your links, your affiliate links right in the post. For example, you could use our videos talking about our ad posting software at coolmarketingsoftware.com, post those on Facebook, and put your affiliate links in the post. And there's also a neat software called Sniply, and this software will allow you to put your link in an overlay over any content. So you can share content, other people's content, with your affiliate link prominently shown on somebody else's content. So go ahead and get started now. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you found this video helpful, please share it as well.